If you've followed the channel for a while, you'll know there's one event that I look forward to every single year, and that's TechMax. Held at the Magna Science Adventure Centre in Rotherham, TechMax has become the UK's biggest gathering for the PC hardware community. Manufacturers, distributors, retailers, system builders, repair specialists, content creators and enthusiasts all come together under one roof for a day dedicated to technology. Now, before anyone compares it to CES or Computex, let me stop you right there, because that's not what TechMax is trying to be. It's not about giant keynote presentations or world-first product launches. It's about bringing the UK tech industry together. And after attending as press for the third year running, I can honestly say it gets bigger and better every year. More than anything though, TechMax is about the people. It's a chance to catch up with familiar faces, meet new companies, and have conversations that often turn into future reviews here on Gadget Joe, or alternatively contacts for companies if you own a little PC store. Walking into a venue and having people recognise me is something I'll never take for granted. I'm a pretty humble person, but moments like that really do remind me how incredible this community is and how lucky I am to be a small part of it. The day started exactly how you'd expect, already bustling and busy. It started off for me with Hits and the Origin PC team already getting me to do things. Before I'd even had a chance to look around properly, I was sat in one of their latest chairs, and honestly, they almost had me convinced to take one home within the first few minutes. From there, it was over to catch up with Sandy from Apaca, who's always an absolute pleasure to talk to. She's one of those people whose enthusiasm is completely infectious. Every visit to the stand feels like catching up with an old friend. I also spent some time with the team at Case King, who were showing off some genuinely eye-catching new hardware. Their latest chassis designs really stood out and definitely pushed beyond the traditional look that we're all used to seeing. There's certainly products I'll be keeping a close eye on over the coming months. One of my biggest discoveries this year though was a company called Tomas. I'd never come across them before, they're quite a new company, but their products immediately grabbed my attention. They had premium looking CPU coolers with integrated display technology, unique styling, and a focus on delivering high-end features at much more affordable prices. The standout products for me was a package that included the case, an AI cooler with an integrated display, 7 fans, and an additional HD display, all of it for just under £300, which is a genuinely compelling proposition, and Tomas is definitely a company I'll be watching closely on the channel. Alongside those were plenty of familiar names including Be Quiet, Iyama, Hamada, Seasonic, Edifier, Kingston, ADATA, ASRock, Cherry, MSI and many, many more. Everywhere you looked, there was passionate people demonstrating their products, answering questions and simply enjoying being part of the event. Throughout the day there was giveaways, raffles and competitions with some fantastic prizes donated by the exhibitors. I was lucky enough to win a couple myself, which was a nice bonus. It's also worth mentioning that the event raised a significant amount of money for the Prince of Wales Hospice, a brilliant cause that's well worth supporting. A huge part of TechMax's success comes from the companies behind it, and this year Target Components stepped in as the headline sponsor. Now Target has supported this channel for a long time, and they're genuinely one of those companies that always puts people first. They're a fantastic team, so seeing them front and centre at this year's event felt completely deserved. Another highlight for me was seeing Scan Computers exhibiting at TechMax for the very first time as part of their 40th anniversary celebrations. They arrived with a huge stand, plenty of hardware on display, and even their robotic dog, which was equal parts impressive and slightly unsettling. Scan has been a huge part of Gadget Joe's journey almost from the beginning. They were one of the first companies to support the channel when it was still finding its feet. So seeing them exhibiting at an event that's become such a big part of my own calendar genuinely felt like a full circle moment. As the day came to a close, it was time for the TechMax Awards, recognising the people and companies making a real difference within the UK tech industry. I was incredibly honoured to be shortlisted in the top 5 for the Tech for Tech's Community Expert Award. I didn't take home the trophy, which is absolutely fine, that deservedly went to Jay, the PC guy. But simply being nominated alongside so many people I respect meant far more than I can put into words. So thank you to everyone who voted for me and put my name forward. And that really sums up why TechMax matters. Yes, there are fantastic products. Yes, there are exciting demonstrations. And yes, there are loads of giveaways and new technology everywhere you look. But the reason that I keep coming back personally is the community. It's one of the few places where complete strangers will walk up and start chatting about PCs, and by the end of a conversation, it feels like you've known each other for years. That's something incredibly special, and I genuinely don't think there's another event quite like it here in the UK. So is TechMax worth attending? Absolutely 100%. Whether you work in the PC hardware industry or you're simply passionate about technology, I'd recommend putting it on your calendar. Every year it grows, every year it improves, and every year I leave looking forward to the next one. Finally, I want to say a huge thank you to Phil and Jenny for inviting me back for a third consecutive year. The amount of work that goes into organising an event like this, from securing the venue and exhibitors to coordinating sponsors and making sure everything runs smoothly, is enormous. What you've built has become something genuinely special for the UK tech community, and everyone involved should be incredibly proud of what you've achieved. I'll definitely be back next year, and if you've been thinking about attending yourself, I'd seriously recommend giving it a go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe too if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.